Hey guys, so I haven't done a slime video in a very long time, so I decided I would do another slime video for you guys. So the materials that you'll be needing are something to stir in, a stirring utensil. I'm using a Play-Doh lid and a spoon. I'm not sure you guys can see this, but this is how it looks like. And lastly, you'll be needing some salt. So first I'm gonna put my salt in my Play-Doh lid. You don't need much or else it'll be like too liquidy. So this is how much I put in. Then you're gonna pour some soft soap in. You need the body wash and it needs to be like really thick if you want it to be slime. And I'm just gonna stir it. As you can see, it's like really thick and it's like jelly. So it is really sticky, so I'm going to pop this in the freezer for like 5 or 7 minutes. So it's been about like 5 minutes and I'm just going to stir it. So as you guys can see, it got super duper thick and like really slimy. And it's like so this is how it looks like. Just gonna touch it now. As you guys can see, it got a lot less stickier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.